Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to make that old-fashioned bologna salad sandwich. This will take many of us back in time to our childhood. I will explain how to make the basic bologna salad sandwich, and I'll also show it with some variations. But just before we do that, I'll just let you know that my recipe books are available on Amazon, and I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. Thank you so much in advance. Now, let's get back to today's featured video. Okay, so I'll show you how to make enough for one sandwich. This would be great for those people living alone or someone out there going to college or university. We'll take a fork and shred the meat to start with. This way you don't need anything fancy to work with, just take a regular fork, and I do like it a little on the chunky side. If you wanted it to be minced, you could use a food processor, or some people use a meat grinder. Now place your meat in a bowl. This way we can mix together all the ingredients and make it into a bologna salad. Now, the most basic way to make your bologna sandwich is simply with mayonnaise and relish. So you can just do that if that's all you'd like. But I will show you also how to make it a little bit more deluxe. Either way, add a generous 1 tablespoon of Miracle Whip or mayonnaise. And then give that a good mix. You can add a little dot of mustard if you like, that's optional. That just adds a little zip, but not very much. You don't want that to overpower it. To keep it as basic as it usually is, you can just add some relish or some chopped sweet pickle. You can do that according to your taste. Start with maybe half a teaspoon of relish and work up if you need more. I'm going to put a little bit of both today. So I basically chopped up 1 sweet pickle and added that to my mixture. I mixed that in and then I added about a half a teaspoon of sweet relish. Now instead of going sweet with it, you could do a little bit of sweet relish with a dill pickle chopped if you want. I don't think I'd use a whole dill pickle in one sandwich, probably half a pickle or so. But I'm not doing the dill pickle today. I'm sticking with the sweet relish and the sweet pickle. Everybody does their bologna sandwich a little bit different, but I'm going for the deluxe one this time. And so I'm adding a little bit of chopped sweet onion, which will give it a little bit of a crunch as well. And a little bit of chopped celery. So probably about a teaspoon and a half of each. I like the chopped sweet onion and chopped celery in it because I do like the crunch, and I also like the extra flavor that it gives. All these are alternatives. You don't have to add all of them in one sandwich, but hey, why not? Looks pretty good, right? So I'm going to place this on a couple of slices of bread. But stay with me, we're not finished yet. There's one final touch. So simply open 2 slices of your favorite bread and butter it. Place your bologna salad on the bread and spread it out evenly. Sprinkle it with salt and pepper to taste, depending on how much you like of that. And simply top it off with some shredded Mazza cheddar cheese. You can add that right into your salad, but I like to just put it on top if I'm going to be using it. So there you have it, a simple bologna sandwich and the deluxe one. If you want to keep it simple, remember it's just mayo and relish. And if you want to go deluxe, you can choose any of the options that I have mentioned, and you can omit any of the ones that you don't like. There, now I hope that brought you back in time. For a few of us, it probably did. For others, they're probably thinking, gee, that's an economical sandwich, maybe I'll give it a try. If you do, and you just want to make a sandwich for yourself, I would advise that you just get it from the deli and just get a few slices. If you buy a whole package, you have to use up the whole package before it expires. and it can be like $11 a package now. So that's a little tip for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and until next time, happy eating, and I'll talk to you next time.